So the GoPro may not do it justice for this particular video as far as how rutted and how big some of the rocks are. It's really hard to get that in the video. But for us finding this trail on Google Maps, again doing some Google Map scouting, one of the very few ones that I was able to find that wasn't gated off or no trespassing and all that good stuff. Again, just a little tiny trail, nothing too serious, just trying to test out the new tires and the all-wheel drive system of the new Sorento. There's like broken glass here. Get a little hot. Just wanted to be able to hear things. You might turn just the fan on. Miss that. This is going to be the tricky part. Rise. Somebody else was back here.
What are we doing?
I'm just gonna do a little walk around, take a look at everything, make sure we're still good.
Is that the A's you were talking about?
Yeah.
Is this about as far as you went down?
This is as far as I went, so I don't know anything else past this point. So we decided to turn around here, mainly because we walked down further along the trail, and a lot of the ruts was almost up to my knee in some areas, depending on the amount of mud that we would have to slide off into. And with us, just the cell reception here is not really the best, but also no traction bars or boards, I'm sorry, and no skid plate yet. There is a factory skid plate that I'm going to be hopefully getting soon and installing, and probably doing a video on that. But without those things, it's one of those where, you know, why risk it? So we decided to just turn around, make it back out, but we're going to definitely tackle the rest of the trail as soon as we get properly equipped. We're more or less just kind of scouting, making sure that we can actually access this trail and that kind of stuff before we, you know, made all these grand plans and it was all for nothing. Record that, like on the screen.
Seems like it's a little more difficult for it to get out than it was, I guess, because it's going uphill.
Mm-hmm. All I was using was brake on the way.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty bad. They're like relentless.
So that was the first partially completed trail of our new 2021 Kia Sorento. Now keep in mind, this is the S all-wheel drive. It's not the X line that everybody's raving about. Honestly, I would love the horsepower and the torque. Don't get me wrong, but as far as the dual clutch, I just don't like the idea of the dual clutch transmission. I like a traditional automatic. Same thing with CVTs and stuff like that. I just prefer the automatic. And with this having decent power and an actual automatic transmission, I personally think this is the better buy. Because again, all-wheel drive versions of the Sorento for the 2021 model year get a 1-inch lift, not just the X line that people are saying it is. That's what I'm gonna do, the before and after, because obviously, especially with you spread open, I can't use that footage of this driving towards you.
Oh!